Welcome, Italy expats. Planning to move to Italy? Whether you're an EU citizen or coming from outside the EU, this guide has got you covered. For EU citizens, good news! You don't need a visa to live or work in Italy. However, you'll still need to register your presence. Within 8 days of arrival, visit your local anagrafi office to register. Bring your passport, proof of health insurance, and proof of income or a job contract. Now, for non-EU citizens, there's a bit more legwork involved. First, you'll need a visa. There are several types: work, student, family reunification, and elective residency visas. Each has its own requirements, so be sure to check the specifics. The general process starts with applying at the Italian consulate in your home country. Gather your documents: passport, application form, photos, proof of accommodation, and financial means. If it's a work visa, you'll need a job offer and an authorization from the Italian employer. For a student visa, an acceptance letter from an Italian institution is necessary. After you've secured your visa and landed in Italy, the next step is obtaining a permesso di soggiorno or residence permit. You must apply within 8 days of arrival. Head to the local post office to get a permesso di soggiorno kit. Fill out the forms and submit them along with your visa, passport, and other documents. You'll then be called for an appointment at the questura or police headquarters. They'll take your fingerprints and verify your documents. It might take a few weeks to receive your permit, so be patient. For those seeking long-term residency, after 5 years of continuous residence, you can apply for a long-term EU residence permit. This gives you more stability and rights similar to Italian citizens. If you plan to drive, you'll need to convert your driver's license to an Italian one within a year. To obtain an Italian driver's license, depending where you are from, you must pass both a theory test and a practical driving test. Start by applying at the local Motorizzazione Civile office. For the theory test, study the Italian highway code. If you have a foreign driver's license, you may be able to convert it without taking the tests, depending on your home country. Regarding health insurance. For immigrants living in Italy, those with legal residence are required to register with the National Health Service, called SSN. To register with the SSN, immigrants need to visit the local ASL office with documents such as a valid passport, permesso di soggiorno, proof of residence, and codice fiscale. After registering, you will receive the tessera sanitaria, health card. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expat tips. Arrivederci.